Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. My name is Celine Vilgan. I'm the founder of Luscious Living, where personal growth meets wellness, as well as the author of the Painless Period Guide. I'm so excited to welcome you to the webinar on March the 10th. That's 6 p.m. Pacific, 7 Mountain, and 9 p.m. Eastern. Okay, and if you are over this calorie in, calorie out, or workout guide or meal plan only approach to weight loss, you're not alone. This is something that I desperately wanted to look for myself, and I started to piece the puzzles together to see that yes, food and movement are a part of it, but it's not the whole piece. Okay, we will look at feminine based activities, pleasure, not just in the bedroom, but in life, and how that attributes to weighting, or your weight loss rather, and talk about waiting, okay? All of these internal concepts that your truest self is asking you to become, and then you'll notice that the symptoms of weight and other symptoms that you might have start to shift away, okay? And so this is not a webinar about not loving yourself and changing. It's not even about totally loving yourself and you should accept yourself the way you are. No, this is about really becoming the woman that you were destined to be and realizing that the weight is sometimes an inside-out game. Again, yes, food and movement are so important. We are physical beings, but there's so much more to it as well. So come and join me. The webinar is again March 10th at 7 p.m. Mountain. That's 6 Pacific and 9 Eastern. And we're going to go over hormone balance, gut bacteria balance, and some of the inner concepts that I mentioned as well. I hope that is going to be very helpful for you, and I will see you then.